Okay. Let us focus into the game. Let us focus. Focus. Para pag need mo kasama, sabi ka lang, oh, sige. Full clear lang ako sa early game. Ako bahala sa inyo, dadalawan ko yun. Awanin teamage.
Doubt is the greatest weapon. Form before strength. Mind and body, one cut of many.
Wala na akong ability, guys. Yun lang, guys. Full down yung first ko kanina.
Do not let your pride blind you.
Si Buds. Ikaw ba to, Miguel, boss?
One cut.
Grabe ba, Buds? Ano amoy na si Buds? Hindi ko ginagamit to. Pang mic lang tong sa akin. Tsaka walang foam to eh. Nabulok na eh.
Anger gives motivation without purpose.
Retreat.
Big Zero yun.
Form before strength. Did you miss it?
May pasok ka bukas, Buds.
A true master is an eternal student.
Si puyat pa.
Never await victory.
Iwas ko muna kayo kay Amomo.
I will show you the path.
Danger. Middle turret is under attack.
Let us begin. Doubt is the greatest enemy.
Dami nag-aari, no? Ari Ziggs.
Gives motivation without purpose.
Oh shit.
Blood.
This will be a harsh lesson.
Ally slain.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Retreat.
Never await victory.
Bahala na sa'yo dyan.
On my way.
One cut of many.
Sa tagal ng panahon.
Mind and body. Did you miss it?
Kakamiss maglasing. Pagbagdamdami.
I will show you the path.
Dalawa ko sa bot lane. Yoni main. In-game ako sa LoL ngayon.
The greatest enemy.
Enemy slain.
Sahod na.
Did you miss it?
Ally slain. Top turret is under attack. Enemy
Will
slain.
be a harsh lesson.
First turret
Game. Patay yung ano. Ari guys. Let's go Dragon.
The enchanted ensemble and
Ng
ocean
ibang
dragon.
tropa ngayon.
Team has slain the enchanted ensemble.
on my way. Engage. Middle turret is under attack.
Enemy team has summoned the enchanted ensemble in the mid lane.
Turret lost.
Did you miss it?
Engage.
Ang alin.
Turret lost.
Grabe yun. Game changer si Shen. Game changer ba? Game changer.
Of many.
Ally slain.
Did you miss it?
Kamusta? Naba siya?
Form before strength.
Hindi kayang i-dive to? Hindi kaya yan, boss.
Destroyed.
Masyado makunat to. Oh, shit. Nakaka-miss maglaseng. Ito. Ito. Amomo. Si Among Us. Gago, patay ako. Mga bagay na to. Sige lang, tuloy lang.
Double kill. You have been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Hina ako kasi doon, wala akong item na binili.
Killing spree.
Ewan ko lang.
Double kill. Top turret is under attack.
Isang hirap ang 5 man yan.
Attack.
Is an eternal student.
Turret lost.
Do not let your
The delay, bro.
blind you. Defend yourself.
On my way.
Ang ina, wala namang word eh.
Danger.
Uupal talaga. Kung may word, okay pa.
Show you the path.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Makunachi to, Makunachi.
Attack the dragon. Retreat the enemy dragon.
Bigay, DR, bigay. Joke lang. Tara, go pala. Patay pala yung kalaban.
On my way, dragon. On my
Game pala tayo, Gar.
Without purpose.
Masakit na yung mga taga ko, guys. Ble. Gago pa. Sorry. Pinindot ko yung ulti ko, na-cancel yung second skill.
triple kill. Enemy is godlike.
Scars, they're calling to me.
Walang item na matino si Master guys. Grabe, wala tayong napatay pala doon, kahit isa.
Team has slain Baron.
What's happened?
Blind you.
We got the dragon but we die all.
Await victory. Did you miss it? A true master is an eternal student. One kind of many. Form before strength. Defend
On
yourself.
my way. Engage. Danger.
Anger gives motivation without purpose.
Oh, banatan oh. Banatan mga bata oh.
Slain an enemy.
Ay, gago tol. Sige. Oh. Dinala ko si Shen doon eh. Gagong kunat.
Shut down.
Await victory.
Double kill.
Masakit yung taga-taga natin, Gar.
Engage. On my way.
Malakas si Master eh. Mahina lang ako eh. I mean, takot ako pumasok, guys. Masyado akong conscious. Ay, cautious pala, cautious. Cautious o conscious? Saan ka naglalaro niyan, buds? Dito ako sa, bahay. Sa katabi nyo. Sa may bintana ako. Oh, banatan. Putang inang hayop na tank zillion na put. Di naman nagtatank si zillion ah.
Double kill. Ally slain.
Sa dating spot kung saan ako nakikalaro dati.
Triple kill. Enemy
Di ko alam. Dito, basta dito. Yung tindahan, ito sa likod ko.
quadra kill.
Puchang gulo.
Enemy rampage.
Grabe naman yun. Tank zillion pala yun. Yo. Come on. You can do that. Alright, nice. BR guys. BR.
Attack
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Terminus, terminus. Tara. BR, nasa BR sila guys. Nasa BR, nasa BR, nasa BR.
Dragon.
Nasa BR sila, par.
Attack Baron.
Ako pala magbi-BR.
Attack Baron. You have slain
Woohoo! Ako magbi-BR. Solo, solo BR. Gagi, akala ko tutulungan ako ni Lulu. Nagpunta si Lulu dun. Ayan na, naglulo na. Ayun sila. Ayan. Bro, I thought we will be doing some BR. Oh fuck, nandito na si Amungus. Amumu. Buti na lang malakas ako. Kailangan ko ng Terminus. Terminus. Grabe, napakakunat po ng mga kalaban. Hindi na po mapigilan.
Isn't it?
Next item, next item.
Motivation without purpose.
Okay na to. Let's dance. Naglulo na.
Await victory.
retreat from the enemy champion.
Tara na.
Doubt is the greatest enemy.
Naging maingat yung kalaban nung tinakpan ko yung mapa ko. Oh, banatan, banatan. Oh. Woo, sakit ang ano ko. Oh shit, ba't tayo maglakad ng champion ko? Pagang! 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 Ubos. Sige, sige, tulak niyan. Tulak niya, mga tulak niya mga lane. Sige, tulak, tulak yan.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Grabe no, parang naging safe, naging play safe yung kalaban nung tinakpan ko yung mapa ko, guys. Totoo ba yung chismis? Totoo ba yung chismis, Gar? Ngayon ako nalulu. Nalulul. Ngayon lang ako nalulul.